everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art. Here I'll teach you how to make a crimp fold. This is just an example, so I'll fold my paper in half, make a rectangle first, and then I'll get into it. So I'll be folding this in half, but on an angle, so the corners aren't meeting each other. Then I'll take this uppermost layer and I'll make a different kind of angle, like the opposite kind of direction, but I need that corner on the right to be underneath the existing corner. So I'll open this up and show you what it looks like. So underneath I've made a little triangle as such. That's what you need. Make sure that's nice and firm, and then open everything up. And it's a bit of a mirror kind of pattern here. There we go, now it wants to open. So you've got these matching folds and you need to change the direction of these folds. So here I'm going to make an inside crimp. I want that top crease to be a mountain. So I know the right side's a mountain already. Then the underneath creases need to be a valley. So if I bring the paper down on itself, it's naturally formed an inside crimp. So I'm just tidying up the other side here. Ta-da! So that layer on the outside, as long as it's in a mountain fold, this defines the inside crimp. Then to do an outside crimp fold, I usually have to think about this, so just bear with me. I will use a valley fold, and then that bottom crease turns into a mountain. So the left side's what I want it to be, so it naturally falls into shape. I just need to change one crease over here. So that bottom crease, I'll change that to a mountain, and then it tucks over like so. The valley fold tucked underneath makes this an outside crimp. Hi everyone, I'm Isabella. I'm the face behind the name of Bizzi Art. And I'd just like to say thank you to everyone watching and supporting this channel. I've made a lot of content, and I also manage another channel with music, and there's always something on there. It's really cool to see heaps of engagement and feedback and all kinds of things over on my other channel. So if you really liked watching this stuff here and you've been enjoying making all these things, hit the like button, and if you really love something, you can always subscribe anytime. And I've always got my link for my website down below, so be sure to check that out if you're on the lookout for origami paper. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.